SC slots.
Guys, I'm such a liar. I kept going. Don't trust gamblers. We lie too much. Come on, baby doll. Go. We need them dragons all the way across. Don't play no damn games. Come on now. Go, go, go. Oh, yes! This should be a whop. This should be a whop. Hey! I got a coin show. You should be simple. Oh! 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 Yeah! I got a coin show! Oh! 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 Yes, this is good YouTube, guys. If you guys are subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, baby doll. And don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss any more awesome videos. Join the fun, join the fun. I'm trying to get that 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. And we can do it with you, and you. Let's go. Let's go. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, you better stop. You better stop. Yes. Let's do that again. Don't be blocking. I know you can do it again. Come on. That was amazing. Retrigger. Look, my dragons ain't no more to be found. That is okay, baby. We got 200. Look at my ticket. Aren't y'all look y'all live? And I kept going. And you know what? How am I getting the bonus? I've been stopping it because it wasn't doing anything. So I was doing this, and I just got it. Just like that. I'm stopping it. Like this game likes to be stopped. Yeah. Let's do it again. Why not? Come on, do that. I haven't got that yet. Oh, I did. Oh no, I didn't mean to push it. I'm sorry. I wish them Buddha man. Woo, if I had them drags with the Buddha man. If I had them dragons with the Buddha man. It's mad at me because I stopped it. It's mad at me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive me? They didn't forgive me. I only got $5, y'all. It's okay. You got a bet? Oh. My baby did this, and then he got the major, so that's all we're trying to do. Ooh, one off. Stopping at 6 for real. Come on. Get it, get it, get it. Oh! I don't have enough. Okay. $2. Alright, y'all. Dragon Riches, I'm out of here. Bye.
Just a quick reminder, y'all. Get your winner's bank. This is our secret weapon on how we never leave the casino broke, baby. Link in the description below. Back to the fun.
Got the bonus. I cashed out my ticket. Now I put a new 100 in. Got me down $43 though. But we about to get it back and some.
Get it back, get it.
Come on, dragon. Oh, that would have been epic, babe. That would have been freaking full screen, dude. Oh, I needed that.
It's coming back.
Come on, retrigger. I dare you. Oh! Dragon. No. You're acting unusual. Come on, do it. Do it one time. Full screen. You didn't do it. Oh, yeah. Acting very different. This 100. So that tells me that it's probably done. I'm gonna cut my little losses.
My first bonus!
Get it, babe, here.
Take your phone. I'm gonna go ahead. Take your phone. I'm on Nickos. Fine. Look, it took my 20 over here, you asshole. And then it took my little last money. I'm pissed. But I got the bonus. This is my first bonus over here at Rainbow, y'all. I'm so happy. Make it good. Please. Kings. Okay, we got $23. I got my 20 back from over there. Yes. Let's go get this money. What are you doing? Excuse me. Hey. Oh, this is it. This is the one right here. Woo! I'm so mad. Take your phone. I got my 20 back though, so I'm happy.
Good job, babe. We're cashing out at $50, down 50, but we got like 600, so we're good. All right, on to the next winning slot machine. Bye. Look at my babe over there. He's so handsome. Got the boner. I wasn't sure if I got it or not. Oh, yes. Can I get that one? Let's go ahead and get that. I dare you. That's 3,400. I can count today, y'all. I can count today. Stop. 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 Keep going. No! Yeah. I thought I was gonna get that $6. At least I didn't get $6. I'll take the 20 all day, baby. Stop. Okay. So I need 6 of those, and I got it right away. Come on, this is $2.25. Get 3 of them shells. One more, do it. Oh, please. Do it. Oh, no. That's cold. All right, y'all. Done. I don't like being teased. You better get that and do it. Come on, 2 more. Last one. Okay, I'm out of here. That was Kingdom Treasure. Now bet. Bye. Oh, that's funny. $6. Get it. Give me them. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Stop at that 600. No, that's so mean. That's mean. Be quiet. I want to hear your mouth. Do it again.
Come on, let's get that.
Go. Oh, you blocker. That's $18. That freaking blocker. I'm so sad. When they start doing stuff like that, it's time for me to go. Alright, well, I'm back even. I put $30 in here, got $30 back. Mermaid! Alright, I'll be back.
Look here, first of all, y'all see how they play me over here? I finally got a bonus. That's how they did me, man. You know what? I'm going for it. 250 bets. Just to, you know, add some fuel to the fire. I need a good ass win, y'all. Cause they treat me like a bald head stepchild over here. You see how they do me right there? That was $37.50, $25. Oh. I'm going back to Emerald Island. 2 more. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look, it's my Buddha man. He likes me. I told you guys. Let's go, Buddha. Yeah, Buddha. Woo! What we get? I didn't even see. Come on. Did we land 2? We did. Oh yeah. These are so small. Give me one, at least one big one. Minor will be everything right now. The minor will be everything. Remember I said that. Come on, baby. Minor. Woo! That's the last. Get it! Yes! Come on, baby. Let's get it. Show me some love. I need one big one. At least one big one. Damn, my baby just got the bonus. Quick. Oh, you are on fire over here. I love it. Come on, sugar mama. Yeah. Let him borrow $1. Come on. He said, get the hell out of here. I ain't giving you no $1. Yeah. Oh, these are the smallest balls I ever got on like that. I want to catch your reaction when you land something humongous. Get it. Oh, that's cold. Yikes. $35. Oh, technically I started with $20, y'all, but you know what? I gotta go for it. I got to go for it. We in Vegas. I gotta go for it. I can't just stop there. Where's my last one? Hey, man. Hey, man. Let's go. I'm not going below 40. I'm cashing this out since I doubled, and I am putting a new 20 in. Okay, I got enough for one more. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Damn it! Just so y'all know, I'm not lying. Like, I'm still gonna be a smart gambler even though I'm over here getting my ass ate up. Let me put another $20 in. Another 20. Oh. Push the button, get the bonus. Why didn't you do it? I pay for mine. Don't drink it then. Get what you want. You want me to get you like a babe, don't drink it. You want like a Cadillac or something? Oh. That didn't ruin my baby's experience as far as drinks, but as far as money, she's having a blast. She came over here for the mudslide and they ain't got no damn mudslides right now. Cause she was like ranting and raving about the mudslide last time. Oh hell nah. And you need some food. You wanna go to the little restaurant? They said it's fire.
This restaurant here?
Yeah. They was raving about it last time. Oh, I got it. Talking to you, I got the bonus. Whoa. Why all my balls that land small as hell though? This is what I don't understand. I'm finna get the major. That's why. And I'm gonna be so happy. You show me some green. Show me the green. Show me the green. Are you excited? I saw the green. It did. Oh, it's in here. It's in the mix. Come back, please. I saw the green, babe. Oh, show it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Okay, you showed me. Now give me the green. Give me the green. Oh my gosh. My feelings about to be so hurt if I didn't get nothing else. Yeah. Why both say will bonus? They both. Yo, the demo and yours said will bonus at the same time. Come on, show me the green. Give me the green. Give me the green. Give me the green. Man, I'm so stressed out over here at Rainbow today, y'all. I was so relaxed and happy over there at Emerald Island. I'm stressed out over here. Thank God Sugar Mama over here getting it, because if we was both stressed out, it would be a sad day. Look, every time one land, why are they so small? I don't understand. I just don't get it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, let's get the grand. That'll make me so happy. That'll make me so happy. Come on. All right, for this last one, I'm gonna close my eyes and listen for a sound. Ready? Here we go. Dang. It's because I held my breath. Let's go. Got my 20 back. Okay. 22.50. I don't want to celebrate that. I want my major. I want that minor. Woo. Come on, baby, be active. Come on, baby, please. I put $20 in the machine. I want to leave with 200 minimum. Come on. One more. That's all we need. Oh, you're a jerk, bro. All we needed was one more logo, and there you go. Come on, show me some love. I want to switch. $1. Nothing. $2. Something. Oh yeah, they all laughing. I like it. $6. That's it, bro. Get it? No. One more. Two more. I'll say one more. We ended here on the 1 cent denom, y'all. I'm going all the way up to denoms. If it don't do nothing, we are out of here. Come on, baby. Last one, $5 max bet. Give it to me. It gave me nothing. Get out of here, man. 50 cent bandit till we done. feelings are so hurt. I'm about to go in the car and pray. So if y'all don't see me for a while, you know why now. Give it to me now. That's how they tease me. Rainbow don't like me. I'm out of here. Bye.
I got the bonus. I'm on 2 pennies. I'm on 2 pennies. Progressive, please. Get it? Yeah. Yeah, me. Progressive? It like 350. Yeah. Come on now. What's under those trains? What's behind them trains? Give me that major. It's $100. Don't play no damn game. Give me that. Fine. Yes! Give me another major. Yay! Again! Come on. Yes! Oh my God. Get it again. I dare you. I'ma lose my. Yes! Come on. Come on, baby, please. Come on. Find the train! Oh, dang. I didn't really count it. My bad. I got too excited. Oh, the $1.
We don't.
Get it.
What does that mean? So, just because you got one.
Get it. Oh.
What's the rule?
So I would have been able to spin the wheel?
No, because you don't have a card.
Oh, I thought I would have been?
Yeah.
Eligible?
Yeah.
I would have been eligible, I'm sad. 5 cents. Come on, baby doll. Get it. Oh, no. Come on. Get it. I dare you. $12.50. Oh, baby doll, give me something. Okay, that was something. 10 cents. I don't know if I'm comfortable going $25, y'all. I'm not no high roller like that. Let's see. Seem like 10 cent acting funny. $12.50 next. It didn't do enough for me. I'm gonna do a $1.50 and I'm making my $4.70. A girl like me know when to run. Dynamite dash and I'll be back. Bye. Give me that gold too, boy.
I love bonus over here at Rainbow. I'm back. 5 cent D now. Got the mini. Let's go. Big money. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on, give me one. Yeah. Come on, baby. Get one. Oh, no. Get it. Oh, we're done. That was quick. Y'all ready? Oh, yeah. Started with $40 in this machine. Oh, yeah. We got a coin show. We got a coin show. This is good, YouTube guys. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you never miss any of our awesome videos. Woo! Join the fam, join the fun. We we on a quest to get to 50,000 by the end of 2022. And we can do it with you, baby. Woo! Look at that. $71. We are $100. I like it. We're gonna stop at 100 and bank. Make sure you guys get your winners bank. Link will be down in the description below. Start secret weapon on how we never leave the casino broke, baby. Look at me, look at me, look at me. You think I'm playing? There it is, y'all. There it is. Let me get my ticket. Dollar Storm, and we'll be back. Bye.
Got the bonus. I wish there was a progressive on there, I think. Let's get 10 trains, 10 train, 10 train. Look at my baby in the bonus too. We both in the bonus. We took 2 cents, that's only $6. Get 10 $6. Let's go, it's just 2 pennies.
$40.
Go, go, go.
Got it.
Go, go, go. Oh, that's not enough. So it's gonna be $24 a train.
Let's go. Don't do that.
$24 a train.
That make it count, bro.
Come on.
Yeah.
Start that other train, let's go. Start that other train, let's get 10. Oh, 40. Baby. Come on, baby, go. Oh, where's my train? Oh, I'm thinking I got the... I'm stupid.
Did you get the train?
I did. I got $24. I thought I got like the progressive one. I can do it again.
Oh, got you.
I am so... It's too early. It's too early. Get it. Couldn't give me either.
Let's get it. Super grand chance, let's get it. I believe.
Why I didn't get that? That was $100. Yeah, I'm looking for my baby. I'll be back.
Oh, I got the bonus next to my baby. Put a new 100 in, y'all. Came from Ninja Moon. Got me down damn near $40. It was okay. We got it. Let's go. Make it count. Make it count. Let's go. Don't do that. I said make it count, bro. 2 more, yes. We got 7. I'm okay, thank you. Hold the spirit. Hold the spirit. Yeah, okay, thank you. You didn't get the train?
I did. I thought I got like the progressive.
Oh, got you. Come on, do more than this. What is going on? Thank you. Yeah, super grand chance. Let's get it. Super grand chance. Let's get it. I believe. I believe. I believe. That was cold. I don't think I like their holding spins at Rainbow. Nah, you know what? My last one was pretty cool. It's fine, it's fine. And we're still in the bonus. $15. Let's go. Get it again. Oh, we got some boats. Birds. More birds. One more. You're a jackass. Come on. Oh my God. Get out of here. Yeah, whatever, bro. $27. Oh, you guys, you trying to limit me? You trying to limit me on how much I can win? I don't appreciate it. It's time for you to go, girl. Oh, no, I'm not. Ooh, I got it! Those some good numbers on nickels. Oh, good numbers on nickels. Let's fill it up. Let's fill it up. You gave me so many balls. That's like 5, 7, 8 balls. I only needed 6. Oh, that's the biggest one. I like it. Okay, I like the whole dispense here at Rainbow. I changed my mind. They've proven themselves worthy. You're not gonna give me no more? No more? No more? One more. No more. That's mean. Aww. Okay, I kinda like them. Oh yeah. Let's go. Whoop whoop. Got a coin show? Hey, we got a coin show. We got a coin show. Let's go.
Just slip on that light.
154.
No, just slip on that light. Any one of us would be more than happy to look at it for you. As always, y'all, thanks for coming out here. Join us here at Rainbow Casino, where every day is a great day.
Ooh, that was nice. That was real nice. How much is that? $10. Oh, you know I'm not going below. Oh, I needed one more door to get the bonus. I'm not going below 150, y'all. I got a bank. Make sure you guys get your winners bank. They go down. Oh, they just jerked. In the description below, it's our secret weapon on how we never leave the casino broke, baby. You can get yours at www.theslotcouple.com. Dude, that was a $125 ball. How dare you? Where are them bitches at in the bonus? Alright, come on. Keep us alive, baby. No! Hold on, y'all. Nope, I ain't even got enough. I'm gonna go ahead and cash out and bank. I'm not playing. I'll put a new 100 in. Yes. My baby signed up for a player's card, so I'm over here getting her some points right now so we can eat for free. Just that. New 100 in. Let's go. Immediately. Why wait? Gotta do something before 90. I'm out of here. Oh, you acting real stupid. Nope. 3 more. Oh. You got one more chance, bro. Last one. Oh, you're a jerk. Alright, y'all. Dollar Storm, Emperor's Treasure. We'll be back. Bye. Subscribe before I get mad.
www.theslotcouple.com